kiana igongi boire bobasi. My father no mobasi. Na mama no mobasi. Something funny, so I originate kuru bobasi. Konga manyi kayo bobasi yerwete. And say ito no muna nate yabaga abuna iviringa kuru bojagera bune sub county ko constituency o ije location o seje sub county o ije location o ije sub location o se location bake village. Kode kiga iboire bobasi alia abubunyansi aba no mugako kuru Samuel Kiana.
Yes.
Kiana garo yo Wanja garo yo Mahonja garo yo Nyarugu. Those are the wrong stories tutakura sekwende, lakini rende igwaro mugaka omumanyite Nyasaye oyuota nyorete. My father was a polygamist, and I am the first born in my family, and ingakiniro obogima boli bwa kawaida mwanya bantu abana bamna inu mutakinire, because I can tell you from the word go into kare ngaki itolende liye goteba ngaki nanchi wane ngaki yana yakale, because you can get somebody agotebing ngaki yana yakale ine igoro ngaki yana yakale omwana agwaga chire school ekero kwale mire gwesa ngurulie igabwe chiabuga ubugori ebitabu tamanye tinga ibire ebinde oike school gwesiberi ande katika bira abwanya namani ba waso school waso amemara bagwirana oiko ubugori ubukombo kwareki and mogondo. So we grew in that life, and you abangi batatageti goteba because bakagetenga igobona. That is what meant us to be having a humble background. Buna abantu rende ngabono tuakinire ngasoma se school ekoro kunyabonge primary, ngasoma school ekoro kwege tu yanya monyo nkagenda utamba urutamba ngacha nkagenda Kibit ngakora ngaruo ngacha nkagenda ngakora ngarikwa na narikwa se serikali ya public works ngakora seruro 1998 moya gateba ya bono abantu ababono imbwati bese tenge buna bono ruta atenga bona ago taxi abandanya bajibesa akorere gas, so akarete ndoga ka golden handshake ekatoiraka toko te went to 40,000. So I went home, I started another life with my family, and then I moved in Gosoma ingacha Kisii University bona Gosoma in the retrenched. So there are some friends who can just tell you ngantu asometa na barabu Kisii primary yani Kisii University. And in the mugaka kuna ko chabumba iga, but in the process kawaida yobugima kabori obugambi obwo kaboegwa ngaraba tema kabiri gatatu ngacha kaboegwa, and I did what a leader can do in my constituency, in my ward, that is. Nande ngutagete goteba nga roho mahene ekerongwa ke sabu ya nenje okomanya kwa na kurumagiga obugambi buli tuware ko buli nobuya buli bugambi buli councillors obukuru. Like now I'm the vice chairman nationally asaba gambia baba former councillors because I represent Kisii with the national coordinator. Kiri rogora ali ninde in charge of the old national. Ekindigirire tingiri ngobugambi buli tuware kuligiriria no gokonya omuntu uri muri komo obo bwarere buri nganye konye nje buye kati ndete kumanya mwango bugambi tiganye konye nje buye. So kurwa bwonka liyo bugambi ngakonya abantu babiri batatu ngakora ekero wave ya ODM ya icha 2013 igacha nga lyumanyete igo yale go janga munabone muneyera agire bono nindoje mune yagire era oboniga. So 2013 ngaburi bugambi ngabona number 2 lakini bono lende monta mwakaira. From there ngachake biashara byana because I did civil engineering as a career as public works or rural. Ngachake biashara byana bya construction. So kurwabu I am now a director of Kokea Construction Company Limited, a URA company, the senior most at Kisii, among the senior most in Kisii. Rekogara wa ikire category 4 asebali bamanyete category 4 a une company ra Rosieram, ine company ra Rosie, and I started that company 2000 and ya 1996 1996 to date yakaro ulendete company ere moyo to date iko you are a manager or you are a good manager.
Okay.
Yeah, I think gwikira abu no na yesukire igo na beire bunango na gusukaiga paka na ikire bunande iga ngabono rero nonda uno mujumbo kuri gikora cyabo basi.
Okay.